Hey everyone! Have you ever been grocery shopping in English and totally frozen at the checkout? Maybe the price looked wrong, but you did not know what to say? Well, today I am going to teach you one sneaky phrase that can actually save you money, plus 4 more phrases you will use every single time you shop. Let us go. Welcome back to Easy English with Emma. I am so happy you are here. Today, we are heading to the grocery store. Whether you are shopping in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere in the English-speaking world, grocery shopping is something you do every single week. And today, you are going to feel totally confident doing it in English. Here are 5 key phrases you need to know. Alright, key phrase number 1. Excuse me, where can I find the item? This is how you ask a store employee to help you find something. Excuse me is polite. It gets their attention without being rude. Where can I find means you are asking for the location. Try it. Excuse me, where can I find the pasta? Excuse me, where can I find the orange juice? Easy, right? Key phrase number 2. Is this on sale? On sale means the item is cheaper than usual right now. It is discounted. You might see signs in the store, but if you are not sure, just ask. Is this on sale? Is this yogurt on sale? Is this on sale this week? Super simple and really useful. Key phrase number 3. Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a larger size? If you find what you want but the size is not right, use this phrase. Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in another size? You can swap size for flavor or color too. Do you have this in another flavor? Works great. Key phrase number 4. The sneaky checkout phrase I promised you. Can I get a price check on this? A price check means, can you check the actual price of this item for me? This is perfect when the price on the shelf looks different from what you see at the register. Say it with confidence. Excuse me, can I get a price check on this? Trust me, you will use this one. And key phrase number 5. Could you double bag this, please? Double bag means, please put this in 2 bags, not 1. This is great when your groceries are heavy and you are worried the bag might break. Could you double bag this, please? Polite and clear. Great job. Now let us see all of these in action.
Excuse me, where can I find the pasta sauce?
Sure. Pasta sauce is in aisle 7, right next to the pasta.
Oh, perfect, thank you. And do you have this in a smaller size? I only need 1 jar.
We do. The smaller jars are in the organic section, aisle 8, on the left.
Great, I'll check there. Thanks so much.
Of course. Let me know if you need anything else.
Wonderful. Did you catch all of that? Hannah started with excuse me, always a polite and clear way to get someone's attention. Then she said, where can I find the pasta sauce? She named exactly what she was looking for. Simple and direct. Tom said, that is in aisle 7. An aisle is the long walkway between the rows of shelves in a grocery store. Stores usually have numbered aisles, so this is very helpful. Then Hannah asked, do you have this in a smaller size? She knew what she wanted, and she asked clearly. And she found an option in aisle 8. The key takeaway. Do not be shy. Store employees are there to help you. One simple question can save you so much time.
Hi there. Is this yogurt on sale this week?
Let me check. Yes. The large tubs are buy 2, get 1 free right now.
Oh wow, that's a great deal. Do you have this in another flavor?
We have strawberry, blueberry, and vanilla. The strawberry is running a little low though.
I'll go with the vanilla then. Thanks for letting me know.
Happy to help. Enjoy your shopping.
Excellent. Let us break that down. Hannah asked, "Is this on sale?" One simple question, and she found out about a great deal. David said it was buy two, get one free. That means, buy two items, and you get a third one at no cost. In the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and many other countries, you will see this deal all the time in supermarkets. Then Hannah asked, "Do you have this in another flavor?" This phrase is so flexible. You can swap flavor for size, color, or anything else. And David mentioned running low. Running low means there is not much stock left. Knowing this helped Hannah make a faster decision. Little phrases like these make a huge difference. You sound natural, and you get exactly what you need.
Hi there. Did you find everything okay today?
Yes, I did, thank you. Oh, this yogurt is ringing up as $3.99, but the sign on the shelf said $3.49. Can I get a price check on this?
Of course. One moment. You're right, I'm sorry about that. I'll fix the price for you right now.
Thank you so much. And could you double bag this, please? It's a bit heavy.
No problem at all. There you go. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thanks.
That last scene was so good. Hannah used two of our key phrases right at the checkout, and look how smoothly it went. First, "Can I get a price check on this?" Hannah noticed the price did not match. She spoke up, and she saved money. Cashiers get this request all the time. Do not ever be afraid to ask. It is completely normal. Then, "Could you double bag this, please?" Polite, clear, no problem at all. Could you is a soft, polite way to make a request. Much better than just saying double bag. And Mike said there you go when he handed over the bags. There you go is a warm, casual way to say here you are. You will hear this a lot at counters and checkouts. Alright, it is quiz time. At the checkout, Hannah said, "Can I get a price check on this?" What does price check mean? A. You want to ask for a discount on the item. B. You want the cashier to verify the correct price. C. You want to return the item to the shelf. Write your answer, A, B, or C, in the comments right now. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have got 5 powerful phrases for grocery shopping in English, from finding items, to checking sales, all the way to the checkout like a total pro. Next time you are at the supermarket, try using at least one of these phrases, and then come back and tell me how it went in the comments. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, we are heading to the doctor's office. Wait till you hear how Hannah explains her symptoms in English. This is one situation you really want to be prepared for. Trust me, knowing these phrases could actually help you in an emergency. Do not miss it. See you next time. Bye-bye.